So I've got a problem. Someone asked me, how do I see if my Wi-Fi signals are strong or they're weak? By strong, I mean they close enough to the router, so I can get the maximum output of internet or maximum speed of the internet. So for that purpose, I have. How do I do that? This is a simple text. You can paste it in the command prompt, and from that command prompt, you can get the percentage of the signals of the Wi-Fi. I have this Wi-Fi with the name of Genius 2. Now let's see how strong are the signals. So press the start and then go to command prompt. So it's already right here. You can right click over it and go to run as administrator, or you can just click right here. So when you open it, you just have to type this. So NETSH, which stands for the network shell, then WLAN, which stands for a Wi-Fi local area network, show, and interfaces. Now when you press enter, this is Wi-Fi. This is the description of that. But we are interested in this portion. Yes, this is Genius 2, which is my Wi-Fi network. Genius 2, and then the signal strength, which is 80%. So this 80% strength, I believe this is quite good. And if it is somewhere around 20 or 30%, you will feel a very slow internet and very hard to get some kind of downloading going on for you. But for this 80% or 80, 70 to 100% is where you should be safe, and you should have a very good and good quality internet, depending on if the router actually has an internet connection. So that is it, and so please subscribe to this channel to learn more about some of the different things in Microsoft, Windows, and other software